everyone, Ash from Splash's creative team, here to announce the release of this month's newest branded theme. It's called Reinvent, and it's a beautifully packaged field marketing events template full of engaging content block options and logic that can help scale your hybrid events programs. What separates this branded theme from the rest is the menu on the left side of the template, which offers a new creative way to display your event's logo and navigation. You'll also notice we baked in a health and safety block to help keep your guests informed and safe when considering to attend your event in person. Feel secure in knowing that the form allows your guests to clearly choose their attendance preferences, and you as the host are able to deliver a personalized email message tailored to their form selections through the use of hidden inputs. Once the messaging is customized in the registration form touchpoint, see it seamlessly scale across confirmation email templates. Check it out in the Themes tab next time you create an event.
Hi again, this is Dana from the product team, here to bring you some exciting updates about our Zoom integration. If you have an active Zoom integration and would like to use the virtual event page for one of your events, Splash will now automatically embed your Zoom webinar ID to that virtual event page. This will not only help save you time and further automate the event creation process, but it will also help to ensure that your data is correctly synced across all Splash event touchpoints, as well as your external systems, eliminating room for error and helping to ensure consistency. But don't worry, if you need to make a change to the Zoom information within the virtual event page, you will be able to do so within the event level settings. Simply navigate to the integration settings within the event page to change the Zoom ID, add a password, or even disable the integration altogether. Anyone with the event organizer role or higher will automatically receive the new permissions to update these fields. This new functionality is fully built and we are in the testing phase now. We will let you know as soon as it is ready to use. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. In the meantime, this is Dana signing off.
Hi there, I'm Kate Rolfe, the team lead on our customer support team, here to tell you about our latest email sender optimization that you're gonna love. If you're managing large email sends, you will now see improvements on faster load times, adding large recipient lists, faster times in your guests receiving that email, and faster load times on your email analytics. If you have a need for speed, this optimization is for you.
Hello everyone, Pete Richardson here from Product Marketing. Have you heard the rumor that's very much not a rumor at all? Splash has created a national holiday to celebrate those that tame chaos, craft experiences, and get big results. That's right, now and forever, September 23rd will be known as Field Marketers Day. Pretty cool, right? Among the many festivities, we're hosting a build-along workshop as an exclusive training opportunity to develop new skills and get field marketing inspiration. A product expert, spoiler alert, you're looking at him, will guide you to create reusable assets, in this case, a branded hub and event pages for field programming, all under an hour. Sound like fun to you? The workshop is filling up fast, so sign up today at the link below. Catch you there.
Hey everyone, John Wayne with Community. I've got 4 different Splash user groups to invite you to. We've got California, DC, Mountain West, and New York City. The first 3 will be virtual. The last one in New York City will be hybrid. So if you're in the area for the New York City, we would love to have you in person at the Splash headquarters. You can check out all the dates below, click on the link. I can tell you some exciting things are happening at these events. We'll have some guest speakers. At the California one, we're combining LA and San Fran together. We've got a great speaker speaking on design from Yahoo. All the way through to the New York one where we are doing, let me read it here, how operations and event marketing can scale and nail events. It's gonna be awesome. Come and join us. I'd love to meet you. See you at the event.